Checking the health of the battery in your iPhone 7 or similar device is very easy, and this procedure assumes that your system software is up to date. Click on the settings icon, and this will take you to the settings menu. Scroll down to battery, and this option may be halfway down the list. Click on the battery icon. The battery page provides options including the ability to display the percentage charge next to the battery icon on the home screen. You can also put the phone in low power mode, which can help reduce the rate of power consumption throughout the day. The lower section shows the level the battery was last charged to, and the rate at which the battery has been discharging since the last charge. This is represented by the bar graph. Click on Battery Health. This page shows overall health including a summary battery message. It also shows the maximum capacity of the battery expressed as a percentage of what it was when new. A brand new phone should show a maximum capacity of 100%. Further down the page is an option to optimize the battery charging cycle using built-in system software. It learns your charging and usage habits and charges the phone accordingly. Apple recommends changing a battery that is showing 80% or less. Below this level, the device performance may be severely degraded to the point that it will affect the phone's ability to keep up with system-intensive tasks. Hopefully, your battery passed. Check back soon for more content, or subscribe for automatic notifications, and thanks for watching.